That is what is called petroleum and all this coal and all these products. So it is a conversion of organic material in the absence of air and in the absence of microbes. So what happened is the last 100 years, we are taking out this fossil fuel and we are burning it. Burning is basically, it is oxidation. So carbon gets converted into carbon dioxide. So there is an increase of carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. So that is one, it is a greenhouse gas. Then another greenhouse gas is methane. You are aware of methane. Where is methane generated? Huh? Huh? Have you heard of methanogenesis? You are all microbiology people, you have heard all this, but you are not applying this knowledge in your daily life. You study everything, but all that is kept in your book, in your room, in your classroom. When you come out of your class, you don't relate all this with the life that is happening outside. So what is methanogenesis? Huh? Yeah, methane generating activity. And how does it happen? Yeah, by microbes. In what condition? In anaerobic condition. In nature, do you know where is this anaerobic activity that is producing methane? Can you tell me? Huh? Any idea? Hmm? Hmm? See, do you know that the cow has a special type of stomach, rumen. It has got something called rumen. So inside the rumen, there is methanogenesis happening. Methane is generated. So cow is one major source of methane. Another major source is paddy cultivation. In paddy, I don't know how many of you are familiar with how many farmers' children here. So have you seen paddy cultivation? They call it a wetland cultivation. They raise the water level in the paddy field. Why do they do that? Why do farmers do that? Huh? Huh? Why do you have a relatively wet condition in the paddy field? Huh? See, that's because to prevent the weed growing. So if you have water, then weeds cannot grow, whereas paddy can grow. So that is the reason farmers maintain water. Actually, the paddy plant doesn't need that much water. So now we are talking about paddy cultivation where we are not flooding, without flooding. So these are all see, this is one see, when I say warriors, it is not a small thing. Your life is to generate solutions for all the problems that we are going to face. That is where we want you to become warriors. So, ma'am, we have to, every student that is coming to us, we should make sure that they are all tough warriors. Because world is, world is facing a very, very serious challenge. So if we don't get into a warrior mode, then we will not be able to live here. So at least we are all, I am 60 plus, probably another 5-10 years, but you are only 20. So you have really a long life. You should be able to live happily here. For that, you have to become warriors. So because you are people who understand microbe, you are all friends of microbes now. So it is your duty to protect your friends. You understand what I am saying? So we are discussing about methane. So one of the major source of methane is landfill. What is landfill? Hmm? Yeah, dump yards. In Coimbatore there is a dump yard. Where is it? Vellalore, correct. Have you gone to Vellalore? Huh? You should you should go and see. You can't go near. There is a foul smell, a lot of flies, rats, dogs, all kinds of problem. Why is this dump yard made? How is the dump yard made? See, how many of you live in Coimbatore? Yeah, house is in Coimbatore. So what do you do with your kitchen waste now? Huh? And then after that, they come and take it and put both in. They mix both and put it in Vellalore. Hmm? So some of you say you are separating, but finally it is all reaching Vellalore. So what happens when it reaches Vellalore? Hmm? What happens when it reaches Vellalore? Yeah, you don't have to. You go and dump. Automatically, heap will be formed. So in the heap, what happens is that the organic you have from your kitchen, you are sending out your food waste, cooking waste. So more than 60% of the waste coming there is organic. So this organic waste, what happens to it? It will decompose. And when it starts decomposing, the liquid in it will come out. So that liquid will displace the air. When the water comes out, it will displace all the air in that heap. So the whole heap becomes anaerobic. So there is anaerobic microbes working there.